Okay, so here's our baby. He's still chewing, Dr. Ross, so I just wanted you to see. He just finished his feet and now he's onto his back. He was on his tail earlier. Seamus, you want to tell Dr. Ross what you're doing? Huh?
I've been chewing.
Why are you chewing? Seamus, do you want to tell Dr. Ross what you're doing? Okay. Pretty soon he'll start gnawing on his feet again. All right.